All right, this is Mr. Bing again, Liberty High School, Project Lead the Way, Principles of Engineering 2.1.3. We just did 2 and 3, and so now we're going to do 4 because that's the sequence that numbers go in. So this is number 4, and maybe you can see my screen. I don't know, Adam, can you see the little me and the screen? I mean, not the little me, but the little me, my notebook. Yeah, the little me, my notebook. Okay, and so number 4, it says a 4-inch wide by a 4-inch wide by 1.125 inch thick. Okay, I'm going to put wide. I don't know what to call it. Wide is a W maybe, and T is a thick. Wide and thick. That sounds really weird. Wide and thick is 4 inches. 4 inches. And 1.125 inches. Please correct me if I make a mistake, like Kevin did just a moment ago. Kevin is not the hero we want. He's the hero we deserve. Yes. 1.125 inches, rectangular steel. So you know this is going to have an area. It's going to have an area of whatever those things are. And it says determine, and P, the force is P. So P equals the force. It's a tension. Meaning that it's trying to be pulled apart. Tension means it's pulling it apart. If the stress in the bar, determine the stress. Okay, this is part A. Now, what's the variable for stress? Is it still sigma? Is it sigma every time? It's sigma. Sigma equals question mark. Determine the stress if the P value, the P is equal to, what does it say, 32,000? 32,000. And is that pounds? Pounds, LB per pounds. Okay, and then is it the same equation? Sigma equals force over area. And this time, we're trying to solve for sigma, right? And then the force is going to be, what's the force going to be? 32,000? 32,000. Can you see this on your screen? And then the area is not 4, the area is not 1.125. The area is those two multiplied together. Hey Siri, what is 4 times 1.125? 4.5 is the area. Okay. All right. And then looks pretty straightforward here. I'm hoping you agree. That's a sigma. Hey Siri, what is 32,000 divided by 4.5? Okay, so 7111.1 repeating basically. So I just wrote down 7111, 7,111. Okay, is that it? That's all they're asking for in part A. Adam, I don't know if this is working as far as people at home having the little screen, but for you guys right here, it's okay, right? The little screen's okay. And then it says part B. There's another part. Part B says the load P. Determine the load P. So that's a P equals question mark. It's a different P. The first P we're forgetting about. Determine the load P that can be supported by the bar if the axial stress. That's not the same thing, right? The stress is a sigma. Is that sigma equals 25,000? Okay, this is what's happening, I think. Before they gave us the force and asked us the stress. This time they're giving us the stress and asking us the force. Does that make any sense? That's what they're asking? Okay, so it's the same equation, sigma equal, and I'm gonna go ahead and bigify this. Okay, is that good? Okay, so this time I've got sigma, it's the same equation, F over A. Okay, and what am I trying to solve for? In this case, the F is a P. Does that make sense? So it's actually a P right there. Trying to solve for P. So P equals sigma times A. So that P equals, the sigma has changed. It's not 7111 anymore. This time it's 25,000. The A has not changed. Remember the area was 4.5? 4.5. And so the answer is going to be whatever those numbers multiplied are, whatever those numbers are. Hey Siri, what is 25,000 times 4.5? 112,500 pounds. I think that's right. If my math is right, I'm pretty sure the rest of it's right. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. I'm going to stop the recording now. So again, I'm waving and you can't see me, which is ridiculous. So bye for now.